just can't find those damn sardines again today. Hold my martini. I need to order a helicopter to pick me up.
Astron 1020.
Send it to the rooftop in 10 minutes. There it is, right on time.
You weren't kidding.
Let's go!
They are heading for Durban Bay.
Today's sardine news is brought to you by Orcas in Sunwich Port.
Good, very early morning, 3 a.m. Yep, we haven't been talking about sardines too much, but this happens. These sardines come in waves. Like you saw, Bruce and I were in the Transkei, and we saw multiple shoals come past, and then also multiple concentrations of shoals come past that were definitely separate from each other. So those first ones that came along, the very beginning of the run, it was a nice bunch, and then the second bunch were quite a big bunch, but then the ones that went past last, that were the biggest shoal, the biggest congregation of shoals. So, and those ones are still coming. I don't know exactly where they are. They could be somewhere or from Mbotyi or somewhere in that area, because there's not too much action at Coffee Bay anymore. Karl has been keeping us up to date, and so is Steve from Wildview, and Karl's from Rock Coffee Cafe. So there's still action on the horizon. Keep your eyes peeled, and after this lekker big cold front that normally shakes things up a bit, and we might get some cold water moving on the inshore side of the current, of the Gullis current, and that'll get those sardines moving again. So they could pitch up anywhere. I mean, they went past Umhlanga already. That first shoal, now I wonder what's going to happen to them, eh? I don't know if they're going to get to Mbotyi, or I don't know if they're going to get as far as where I am here, Umtanzini. I'm not sure if that's happened, but I have heard that they went into Richards Bay before. So there is a possibility that Umhlanga shoal might pitch up all the way here on the north coast pretty soon. But the ones we're focusing on are the last shoals, the big shoals that were hanging at Coffee Bay for a long time, Umdumbi, in Jela and those areas. And then eventually they've moved along, the birds have moved along as well. So where are we going to check out? I don't know. The Mbotyi seems to be the kind of right place to go to looking for sardines, when that's where they could be. The main impetus of the sardines could be in that area. But maybe also back to Port Edward. The only way we're going to find out is by getting up and at it very early. I'm on the north coast, so I can't do any sardine reporting, but I've got Alan and Greg and Steve and a whole bunch of folks, all with their eyes peeled, waiting for the sardines to rock up, and they're going to phone me straight away. Better than having a helicopter. Okay, don't forget, like and subscribe to get this news, or join the channel to support us, help us keep petrol in the tank and keep going. Very easy, just join the YouTube channel, and then you really are joining the family. Lekker. Thanks for watching. Ciao.